Deep beneath the ancient stone, silent treasures brightly grown. Every crystal holds a light, born in darkness, shining bright. Ruby burns with fearless flame, emerald whispers nature's name. Sapphire paints the endless sky, diamonds teach us how to fly. Every color tells a story, every sparkle sings of glory. Shine, shine like a gem, forever bright again and again. Through the fire, through the years, beauty rises.